Hi everyone, welcome to the Code Query Hub. So in this video, we will build a recommendation engine based on category. So this is our database and these are three data sets inside it. So let's quickly look at our database. So yes, these are our data sets. Let's try to see the structure of our data sets. So for that, we are having the basic select query, that is select all from table name. And to see the structure, we are having the top clause, that is select tops one star from table name. And similarly, we can see the structure of other tables also with the help of this command. Now just select it and execute it. So yes, this is the structure of our data sets. So this is your users table, this is your products table, and this is your orders data. Now, by looking at the structure, we can see that table 1 and table 3 has the common column customer ID, and table 2 and table 3 has the common column product ID, and there is no common column with table A and table B. Now we want to build a recommendation engine based on category. Means the idea is very simple. Suppose a user buy a product from a category, then we need to recommend the other products from the same category. So now we can see we have two main tables here. One is your orders table, with the help of which we can identify that the users have bought from which category, and we need the product table also to recommend the same products from the to recommend the other products from the same category. So now let's quickly join the both the table to get the category for each order. So let's join it. Select all from table 1, that is orders data. And now we need the category for each orders data. So we need to write the inner join. Second table is your products data as B. And on the basis of common column, that is product ID. So just select it and execute it. Yes. We can see these are the categories from which the users have ordered. Now we need the category from the second table and we need all the columns from the first table. So we can write it as A dot star and we just need the category from the second table. So we can write it as this one. Just select it and execute it. So yes, we got the category of each order. So I am using the CTE just to keep the things clean and readable. So we can write it as with. So you can give the name as category. As, and you can write it in brackets. Now, this is your orders data. Like from which category the users have already bought the products. Now you need other products from the same category. So we must join this table with the products table. So let's try to join it. Select all from table 1. Now this is your table 1 and its name is category data now. So from category data, add C and inner join products table as B. And you want to join on the basis of categories because you need other products from the same category. So let's write it as C dot category equal to D dot category. Just select it and execute it. So yes, Now you can see that you have ordered the product A from the electronics category, but after mapping, you are getting the product K and U corresponding to product A from the same category, that is electronics. So we need these products, all of these products which we can recommend. So let's say we need customer ID from this table and we need product ID. So these are the, we can say, products ordered. And let's take the category also. Category. And you can write it as this product ID is your recommended product. So you can also write it as D dot product ID as recommended product. Now let's select it and execute it. So yes, so this is your customer ID and you have ordered product A and corresponding to that, you are getting product K and product U. Now we are getting the same product also in the recommendation, but we need to recommend the products which are not ordered, or we can say which is not already ordered. So we can apply the filter here also, where C dot product ID is not equal to D dot product ID. So we can remove the product also. Now, if you select it and execute it, you can see you have ordered the product A, but you are getting the recommendation of other products except that product. Now, let's put it in the CT and give the name as recommended data as and select all from. Now, which table you need? This one. So the name of this table is now recommended data. So just select it and paste it. Yes. Now, what we need to display in the output, we need the customer ID and corresponding recommended product. So we don't need category here. So we can write it as customer ID, comma, recommended product. So just select it and execute it. So yes, in this way, we can recommend the products to the customers. And also, in order to see the data in order, we can also arrange it. Order by customer ID in ascending order. Just select it and finally execute it. So yes, now we get everything in order. So in this way, we can build a recommendation engine based on category. So this is the basic version, but we can use the similar logic in our real world problems. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, do like and subscribe to Code Query Hub. So next we will build the recommendation engine using price. So stay connected and subscribe to Code Query Hub. Thanks for watching.